The purpose of this video is to take steps to understand why the seasons are the way that they are. To start out here, I've got a flashlight with some rolled up paper to direct the light of the flashlight. We'll see what happens. Here, the light is shining directly onto the desk, and this circle of light right here has a certain amount of energy to it. Right now, the light is being shined directly onto the table. And now the light is tilted, or the source of the light is tilted. And you can see how that is spreading out this energy over a wider area. Okay, it's the same amount of energy, but now this energy is being distributed over a larger area. Okay, so let's watch this again. Okay, this flashlight is being shined directly onto the table. If someone was standing right in that light would feel pretty intense. And the energy of the sun, the warmth of the sun, comes from the sun's light. Now, if the same person was standing here with the sun or this light source shining less directly on him, he would feel less energy. It would feel less warm. And I think you can see that visually. The light is much less intense where he's standing now than where he was before.